To Ahmed Speaks. Today's lecture is about the salient features of Constitution of Pakistan 1956. So in this lecture we will discuss salient features. So this is a broad outline of the salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan 1956. So we will discuss these salient features one by one. First of all, it's a written constitution. By written constitution, I mean that it has a single document, it is in codified form. The Constitution of Pakistan 1956 was consisted of 234 articles and 6 schedules. Another important feature is federalism. There was federal form of government under the Constitution of Pakistan 1956. There were 3 legislative lists: federal, concurrent and provincial. 30 subjects were included in federal list, 19 were included in concurrent list, and 94 were included in provincial list. Another important feature is parliamentary form of government. The form of government was parliamentary. Ministers were supposed to be members of National Assembly. Individually and collectively, they were responsible to National Assembly. President was the head of state and PM was the head of government. Unicameral legislature. This is another important feature. So the system of legislature was unicameral. There was single house which was National Assembly. It was consisted of 300 members and its term was 5 years until dissolved earlier. Independence of judiciary. Supreme Court was the apex court and the judiciary was responsible for interpretation of the Constitution and to adjudicate in any dispute between federal government and provincial government or among provincial governments. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights were made part of the Constitution. These were to be enforced by the Supreme Court. Fundamental rights include right to life, right to press, right to freedom, right to religion, etc. Islamic provisions. Objective resolution was included in the preamble of the Constitution. In the Constitution, sovereignty of God on the whole universe was acknowledged, and the initiative was taken regarding the implementation of Quran and Sunnah. President of Pakistan must be Muslim. Islam was declared as state religion. In addition to it, protection of minorities was guaranteed. Republicanism. Pakistan was declared as republic. Head of state will be elected by people. Pakistan was named as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Another important feature is that certain features of presidential form of government. In this constitution, there were certain features which resemble the presidential form of government. For example, like the executive authority was vested in president. The president had the power to summon, prorogue or dissolve National Assembly. and he had the authority of veto. He possessed veto, limited veto, with respect to laws passed by National Assembly. On the other hand, he possessed absolute veto with respect to laws of provincial assemblies, laws passed by provincial assemblies. Official language. Urdu and Bengali were made official languages of Pakistan. However, English was adopted and accepted as language for official business for 25 years. So these were some basic and salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan 1956, which was the first Constitution of Pakistan, which was abrogated in 1958. And in the next lecture we will discuss something new about the Constitution of Pakistan 1956. For example, what were the reason of its failure? What were its drawbacks? Thank you.